For today's recipe, we're going to make buttermilk pancake. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 250 ml of buttermilk, one teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt to balance the taste, 5 to 6 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and also a drop of vanilla extract. Give it a good mix until no lumps. This is ready. You can rest this for about 10 minutes or up to overnight. Just put it on the fridge and cover with cling wrap. To achieve the perfect pancake, I'm going to use the pancakeflipper. I'm gonna brush this with butter, like that. Just heat the pan. Pour the pancake batter. I put teaspoon on the side to make sure the pancake flipper when, it will stuck up on the pan so we don't make mess. Hopefully it gets perfect.